No, wait, too much gas. Too much gas. Go. Whole new day. You dig what I'm saying? How you feel, bro?
Feeling good, man.
Yes, sir, Ski. We done took this joint all the way apart.
You put water in there?
Huh?
Water in the radio?
Yeah, that whole field just started wasting.
You gonna put the cap on?
Nah, not yet. Let the whole run for a little bit because we're gonna have to put some more water in there to fill it. Damn, but if I do, you gotta do point of view. So you can start. Nah, you can start it. In that hole, man.
What do you wanna do?
Hey, I probably need to go put the lens on this hoe.
Huh?
Probably need to put the lens on this hoe. I said I probably need to put the sun thing on that hoe. I'm gonna see something. Okay, that's a cool angle right there. Let's get it. Oh, baby. Dang, man, that hoe's gonna be on.
Ready?
Yeah. Did you press the gas? Alright. Yeah. Why are you not hitting? Not hitting. Everything on, everything connected.
Pink line put?
Yeah. Go. Go. Hold up. Go. No, wait, too much gas. Go. The fuck is that noise?
Take that shit off with the shit, dude. Take all the shit off the car.
Damn, this was holding the camera up. It's okay, we're gonna put the picture on right here. Hold up, y'all. We're gonna be back. Yes, sir. Welcome back to the vlog. So, trying to get it to turn on. Go. Go. Press the gas. Alright, go. Go. Hold on, bro. What the fuck is this shit?
What? What is it? It ain't tight? Oh, you put it hand tight.
Nah, I hit it with the shit. I don't know why it backed off like that.
Oh. Yeah, that whole way hot. Probably missed one.
Huh?
You don't think so?
Nah.
Oh, how the hell is it gonna back off that for? Oh, boy, you didn't screw it in at all, bro. You
I
just
did, bro. You know what I tell you? I did. Real shit. I had them off.
It's not in though. Oh, I thought it was done.
Damn, got some mud on my shit. Fuck, man.
Where the mud come?
Not the damn thing. Oh, that's oil from when we was...
Oh, nah, this shit leaking.
What's leaking?
Oh, it's leaking gas.
Okay, well, tighten that shit up. That just need to be tightened up with a screwdriver.
Carburetor?
The carburetor leaking gas?
Yeah. What you was talking about?
I thought you were talking about that line. If the carburetor leaking gas, then we need to tighten that hoe down.
Oh, it might be coming from the line. Just
I think that shit coming from the shit, from the thing, cause I had loosened that shit one day.
These?
Yeah. Sliding.
Oh, that's just running.
That shit coming from underneath the carburetor. That gasket out of there.
Now, when you take the gasket out.
I loosened the bolts though, remember?
Oh no, this hose is wet. Got a screwdriver? You had tightened this? No, didn't at all.
I did loosen it though. I remember loosening it. You're right. That's that shit.
Not to say anything. That gasket, we ain't touched that shit.
I kept saying I was smelling some shit. It's this shit.
Dripping. Leaking. That's good?
Yeah. Now maybe, hopefully it ain't this shit. That clacking was this shit, hopefully.
Tighten that shit all the way?
Yeah, tighten that up.
Check the other ones.
They good. They look good. Go. Go. Press the shit. That shit too hard for my finger now. Scared the shit out of me. Go. Go. I want to stay on though. And I fucking hear air coming out this hole. Damn, I hope it ain't that spark plug bolt. That spark plug shit not being all the way in. Letting out some of the air.
I don't think so, cause we ain't had them hoes ain't that tight last.
Okay, but I'm gonna try to lock the distributor down and like hopefully to stop that hoe from moving, and then hopefully we can get a cool spot.
But I was gonna say I thought you was trying to get the timing right.
I was, but that hoe's somewhere towards the back. But that's just the initial timing. I think we gotta set the advanced shit too. And that shit, we gotta unplug that vacuum line and do that shit with the gun. I'm gonna have to call
this
Chuck.
shit? I don't know if that shit.
This is to the hose, bro, because this is a vacuum style type of headlights that make
This
the headlights
shit
go.
burnt. That shit wide open.
Yeah, a rat ate that shit or something.
I'm just trying to see if we had that shit right there last time.
Yeah, that shit was right there. That should definitely go there. Cause the other side is another vacuum hose. That shit. It's just hard getting to this boat now. This damn bracket right here. It's fucking annoying. Hair in the way. Too much shit going on. Let's go. get you on here nice and tight so you don't ever move.
What you was tightening? Oh, no.
That nigga Jordan said that same whole ass shit.
What?
Is this hoe ever gonna run?
You gonna ever drive your car, nigga? Your shit run perfectly fine. Drive your shit.
Say damn. Why everybody quitting gonna get this hoe running? What's wrong with that motherfucking ass? Motherfucker be tripping. Damn, come on, I'm gonna need another bracket or something for this hoe, cause why you ain't get tight? I don't think it's long enough or something. I think you need a
You
different.
doing them short ass turns.
Nah, bro, this hoe.
That hoe was tight, man.
Yeah, but it still don't be like perfect circle on that bit. You know what I'm talking about?
I don't do what?
It still don't be like a perfect circle on that hoe. It's like it's a lot of gap. I think since I put a different intake on this hoe, I think I need a longer. No. Yeah. To make this hoe kind of like sit up on the distributor, cause this hoe don't really be on the hoe. It's like it be on the tip of that hoe. That hoe got about another 1/4 inch to go, but that shit don't never just reach for it. Yes, sir. So, updating the vlog. We did. It's definitely nighttime. We're gonna put some WD-40 on this side pipe to actually get it to slide all the way on. And we're gonna get one of them fittings because I don't feel like bolting that down. Not right now, it's cold. So, update on this part. Battery's charged, so we can get back to trying to actually start it. You know what I mean? We're gonna actually pull the timing back a couple of degrees, try to see if we can get it spot on with the inside piece. When you take this cap on, we kind of want it to be more towards like 11 o'clock. I feel like it's a tad bit too far this way, so we're gonna readjust that and hopefully it stay on. It looks good though. Side pipes is definitely looking good. Comment down below what you think. Should we go back with orange? You know what I mean? That'll be something we can all talk about. But till the next video, catch you in the next one. We gone.